Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 Google Maps tips and tricks. Google Maps is a phenomenal web mapping platform where you can actually find directions to different places. So without wasting any more time, let's jump onto the PC and have a look. Number 1, Street View. What is Street View? Google Maps is not only for actually looking at how we can go or what is the closest direction. You can actually see the view of each street. So let's do that. Let me just choose some place. Maybe let's choose California. This is just some place I'm choosing. So once I get to California, okay, let's see where we can go. Yes, this is San Francisco in California. And I'm gonna take this guy here and pull him anywhere on the street, wherever you see these circles. Once I put him there, this is the street view for this street. You can move front, you can keep moving front, so this is the street view for the street. This is an amazing feature of Google Maps where you can actually see. Let's choose for another street maybe. So this time let's go to New York. NY, that's New York. Let's go to the Greenwich Village or anywhere. I'll just pull it and put it anywhere on these circles. It works in any country, almost all countries, India, anywhere. So this you see is a house or an office of somebody. So we just went into an office of somebody's. We don't know whose office was that. So let's go into this park. Let's see what's there in this park. It looks like one green patch, right? So it's like a park here. So that is what is called Street View. Our second neat feature of Google Maps is you can see the 3D view of a place, of any place. Let's say, okay, I'm in Mumbai right now and I want to see the 3D view of Mumbai. So I'll click on layers and change it to a satellite view. When I change it to a satellite view, I see places like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on okay, I'll change it to satellite view. I'm going to click on more and I'm going to click on globe view. When I click on globe view, you can actually get a 3D view of each place. See, it looks like a 3D view of each place. So you know which place is this, which place is this, which place is wherever. This is a 2D view while this becomes a 3D view. So you can see this 3D view, right? So if you see this house here, it looks here. If you see this is like a little high house. This is the Palmarg, like it says. So you can see this is like a railway track. Or yes, it looks like a railway track to me. So this is a very neat feature of the 3D view. If I click on USA, this actually you can get the whole globe. Well, this is a very nice feature. So you can actually get the 3D view of a place. Okay, for number 3, right now I am at the Narendra Modi Stadium, the largest stadium in the world for cricket, the cricket's largest stadium in the world. I think with a seating capacity of 132,000 people. I think after this comes the MCG with over 1 lakh people. Okay, so now I want to measure the distance from this side to that side. So I go to one side and right click and click measure distance. Then I go to the other side and just click. So this distance is 162.83 meter. So that's how you can use Google Maps to measure your distance from one place to another. Now I want to measure area of this pitch. So if you see, this is the pitch here. I'm going to measure the area of the pitch now. I'm going to right click and say measure distance again. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to right click here and say measure distance. I'm going to put it towards this end. That will measure the length. Then I'm going to click once more to this end. That will measure another length. That way we'll go here and click. So clicked, and then I'll click back on the first one. That way it's a total area of 85.63 meter square. So that's how you can use Google Maps to measure distance and area as well. Now you can easily modify routes by actually dragging and dropping them. Okay, let's say I want to go to one cricket stadium, that's Chinnaswamy Cricket Stadium, that's in Bangalore. Thing with a seating capacity over 40,000 people. So this is Chinnaswamy Cricket Stadium, gate number 4. Now I'm going to get directions from Kantirva, that's another sport stadium. It's not cricket, but it's sport, other sports. So now I've got these directions. This is Sri Kantirva, while this is Chinnaswamy. Let's say I do not want to travel through this route. I want to take this route, so I can easily pull this, drag it here. Now let's say I want to come back to this route, I want to go through here. So I'll just pull this and maybe try to do something with it. So this way, so you can actually pull routes and actually, I know here I'm just like trying to increase the distance, but that's not the point. You can actually pull different routes. So instead of going like this, I could go like this and come. So that is how you can keep pulling routes and trying to make some patterns on Google Maps as well, right? So that is another neat feature where you can actually pull routes and actually change what you want according to your convenience. And for the final feature, we are at Bellevue Square Mall in the US. So, Google Maps is always not for the outside world. You can also look inside of a few buildings. I mean, not all buildings, but few selected buildings. So, this is the mall here. So, I can actually see. So, if I click on the right bottom corner, this is the first floor of the mall. Then I get to the second floor. These are few shops, and this is the final floor of the mall. So you can actually see the mall. So this is first floor, this is the second floor, this is the third floor. You can see. So first floor there is these American Eagle store, Benbridge, and in the second floor there is Express Clothing, Vinity, Macy's department store, and on the third floor there are few buildings. So, and you can see also in -1. So Google Maps helps you to see inside of some buildings. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like, share and subscribe. If you want any more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and also if you want me to cover any other topic, put that topic in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and tell me which one was your favorite trick you learned today. See you all next time. Bye.